Hi everyone, I hope you are all good. This is A Day in My Life. I'm going to start with my favorite breakfast. I'm going to use avocado, lemon, tomatoes, olive oil, and toast. Mash the avocado. Add olive oil and the lemon. Mix everything, cut the tomatoes, and eat it with toast. Now it's time to cook pad thai. This is my first time cooking it, but I love it so much. I'm going to use 200 grams rice noodles, 2 garlics, 2 eggs, 150 grams bean sprouts, 4 chopped spring onions, 25 grams chopped peanuts, 1 tablespoon brown sugar, 100 grams peeled raw prawns, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, 2 tablespoons tamarind paste, 2 tablespoons of oil and salt. Boil the noodles in salted water for 10 to 15 minutes until soft. Drain and rinse in cold water. Heat the pan with 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the prawns and the garlic and cook, stirring quickly until the prawns turn pink. Push to the side. In the same pan, add the sugar, fish sauce, and tamarind paste. After a few minutes, add the noodles and 1 tablespoon of water. Stir the noodles and push to the side. Add 1 tablespoon of oil. Add the eggs, then scramble until cooked. Add the prawns, chopped spring onions, bean sprouts and noodles, stirring continuously for 3 minutes or until everything is hot. Serve the noodles with the peanuts on top and line wedges for squeezing over. I love this massager. I use it every night before I go to bed. Can be used anywhere on your body. This is an excellent massager. Let me know what you think about this video. Give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I'll see you next time.